Hello everyone, today we will see how to make sweet Maida biscuits. These are super delicious and super easy to make. Let's get started off by taking 2 tablespoons ghee in a mixing bowl. To this, add half cup powdered sugar, mix this well to a smooth paste. Now add 2 cups maida and mix this thoroughly again. Once this is mixed well, add water little by little and mix to make a soft dough. Now, sprinkle some flour on your bench, take a small portion of the dough and flatten it. Sprinkle some flour over the dough and flatten the dough evenly using a rolling pin to about a 1/4 inch thick. With a sharp knife, cut the flattened dough into small diamonds. Let these air dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next, take a few pieces on a ladle and gently slip these into hot oil. Make sure to be gentle here as the oil will splatter quite a bit. Fry these while stirring occasionally until the biscuits turn golden. Once nice and golden, remove and place on tissue to drain the excess oil. Super delicious Maida biscuits are ready. You can store these in airtight containers to keep them fresh and tasty. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss our videos.